Welcome guys, today we're going to do part 25, factorizing using the distributive property. I'm so sad this is the last video of the series. So yeah, let's get right to it. Equation 1 is 4x plus 16. So step 1 is finding the common factor. So let's take 4 out because we have 4x plus 16. Both of them can be divided by 4, so let's take 4 out. 4 times x is equal to 4x plus 4 times 4 is 16. So this one is actually a real one. Equation 2 is finding the common factor. Let's find the common factor between this. So we can see 4x and we can divide this by 4x. So I think we can take 4x out. And then let's take y out. So 4xy times x would be 4x squared y, which is up there, and 4xy plus times 6y would be 624xy squared. Yeah. Let's do equation number 3. Step 1 is finding the common factor. So I think let's take out 4x squared. Yeah. So we'll be left with y and 2xy and 6. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great rest